So kung last time is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-elongate na inyong eyes, this time naman is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-emphasize sa inyong rounded eyes and how to create it by just doing some simple tips and tricks. So as to start is, ayan, nakita niyo naman ako ay naka-face makeup na. So this video is going to be focused on our eyes. So, lagi naman ako naglalagay ng base. So if ever man nawala kayong pillow base, like usually ginagamit is pwede kayong gumamit ng inyong pot concealer or your simple concealer. But ang pagkakaiba lang kasi guys, ang pot concealer kasi is less yung oil compared sa mga liquid like this. But ito kasi is kahit na sa liquid siya is maganda yung consistency niya and matte yung kanyang finish. So here it is guys, ako ay naka-lid base na using P-Lilies. So this time naman is gagawin natin sa eyeshadow is hindi tayo gagamit ng pinaka-eyeshadow itself kasi kumbaga parang this is a simple tips and tricks, especially kung nasa travel kayo tapos wala kayo nadalang eyeshadow, pwedeng kayong gumamit ng inyong mga other makeup na alam ko naman is meron kayo. So we are going to start with our blush. Alam mo guys, na pwede nyo gamitin yung blush nyo kasi it is actually like parang typical monochromatic moment sa buhay natin. Especially sa mga girls na tuwing graduation or anything na, or any celebration na akit tayo ng stage, na parang kung ano yung color ng lipstick mo, it is also the color of your blush and also your eyeshadow. So parang ganun. Tapos, ang kagandahan kasi guys sa blush, kapag ginamit nyo siyang eyeshadow is that meron siyang certain pop, meron siyang certain glow na binibigay sa inyong eyes. So, eto guys, I'm sorry kasi itong pinakita ko sa inyo kanina is meron siyang shimmer. Pero I wanted to start with something matte na lang. So, I'd rather use this. This one is mineral based siya or mineral makeup from ELLANA. This one is actually a blush guys. Ayan siya. Kita niyo yung color niya. And meron siyang soft pink. So, ito yung gagamitin natin yung eyeshadow color. So, top of the excess. Kita nyo guys, ayun na agad siya. There is something na, alam mo yun, nagpapa-emphasize lalo na inyong eyelid using blush. And also, nakita nyo yung aking way of application. Diba usually, lagi ako nag-snatch or lagi ako nag-drag outward. So this time, we are just going to do a dome type application. Parang nakataob na C or bowl. And I am actually using this. This one is a tapered round packing brush. So ayan, pinapack ko lang siya here. I am not actually dragging things. Kumbaga pinipress ko lang every pigment. And then the next thing that you're going to use is actually your contouring product. Oo guys, hindi tayo gagamit ng eyeshadow ngayon kasi nga gaya na sinabi ko kanina, if ever man na on the go kayo tapos wala kayong eyeshadow, especially sa mga moms out there na hindi naman talaga nag-eyeshadow, you can actually use your blush and also your contouring product. This one guys is INGLOT'S product in collaboration with Jennifer Lopez in the shade BOOGIE Down Bronze. So, same brush. And then this time, kung nakikita nyo, hanggang dito ako naglagay ng ating blush. Tapos, with the use of our contour product, medyo mababa tayo here sa aking fold. And if ever man guys na monolid kayo, you can actually check it ng nakaharap sa salamin. So parang ganyan, meron kayong salamin sa harapan nyo. Tapos kapag nakaharap kayo, kung saan tumatama yung pinakadulo ng inyong eyelashes, so like that, medyo natatakpan ko. So parang ganyan. Sa akin hanggang dito rin kasi sa pinaka-fold ko. So somehow, okay, tsaka meron akong tracing line, which is my crease. But if ever nga na kayo ay monolid, you can actually look like this and then makikita nyo kung hanggang saan lang kayo dapat paglalagay nyo ng inyong eyeshadow. And yun nga pala guys, when it comes to eyeshadow kasi guys, it is actually nice and actually meant talaga na para nakikita pa rin kahit na nakadilip kayo. So ganun dapat ang eyeshadow. Not unless if you have a super deep set, which is yung nakalubog talaga dito na makikita lang pinaka-kagandahan ng inyong eye makeup kapag nakatingin kayo sa baba. So, this time is medyo mababa nga tayo. Still the process of packing and dome application lang din. And tapos kabilaan, para somehow is na ma-maximize yung pinaka-pigment and also you are blending it na din. So, ganyan lang. So, diba? Simple lang yung color niya. Tapos, sobrang okay lang din sa daytime. Ito kasi natutunan ko lang to kay Bobbi Brown eh. Nanonood kasi ako ng mga videos ni Bobbi Brown before. Tapos, ang kagandahan naman ito guys, actually your blush and also your contour product is not that pigmented compared sa mga eyeshadow nyo. Kung baga, kung kayo rin yung tipo ng tao na you are afraid and also you find it hard kung paano nyo i-diffuse yung color, or nasasya kayo sa color, you can actually start by doing this. Kung baga, alam niyo, makukuha niyo yung pinaka-subtle effect niya. Tapos, you can actually practice with your blending pa. So, di ba? Super duper ganda ganitong proseso. Kita niyo yung difference. There's a shadow here but not that loud. Kumbaga, hindi nga siya sobrang kapigmented nung tulad ng mga eyeshadow. Pero ito guys, kumbaga, this is the personal thing na gumagamit ako ng one brush. But if ever man mag-reuse kayo, pwede naman kayo gamit ng tissue. You can actually just wipe everything hanggang sa makuha niyo yung mga naitirang pigment. Ayan. Tapos, pwede kayong bumalik sa first color nyo. Kasi sa totoo lang, 2 colors yung ginagamit ko. Pero, I really like it na parang biniblend ko siya ng like that. Diba? Super nice. So, this time is we're also going to use it on our lower lid. Tapos, ito pa yung ginagawa ko guys. I actually used to squint like this. Tapos, pinapabakal ko tong agiosal. Agiosal kasi guys, it's basically the muscle or the puff under your eyelid. Ayan. Ginamitan ko siya guys na contour product kasi pag gumamit ako na blush is magmumukha siya lalong popping. So, ayoko naman na parang sobrang luwang-luwa yun dito. And also, sobrang ganda rin kasi nito kapag naglagay na kayo ng mascara later kasi merong certain smoky but subtle lang. So, there you have it. Ayan na siya guys. So, di ba ganyan kasimple? You can actually stop there. You can actually put some eyeliner. But I personally don't advise to use an eyeliner kasi kapag gumamit kayo ng eyeliner, you are just hugging the eye shape that you have. So, kapag naglagay kayo dyan, magkakaroon lalo ng framing dyan. And, yun na rin mismo kapaliit ng inyong eye. So, ang gagawin natin this time is we are going to work with our lashes. So, last time ginamit kong lashes is yung merong wispiness sa side, which is ito. So, ayan, as you can see, kapag nakaganyan ako, nakaangat siya, pero merong certain slick here sa outside. This time is we are going to use this kind of lashes. Ayan. Wala siyang wispiness sa gilid. Kumbaga, lahat is equally naka-disperse ng pa-front lang. Ayan. Diba? And this one guys is Kusi Yours or Susie Yours. I don't really know how to pronounce this, but this one is nabili ko sa Landmark for just $149 and meron ka ng 5 pairs. So ayun pala guys, kung na-mention ko kayo nila, lashes really have their own impact sa inyong eyes, especially kung gagamit kayo ng tamang design para sa inyong eye shape. Pwede nyo rin ito makuha with your contact lenses, especially kung gumagamit kayo ng contact lenses. So, kung gagamit kayo ng contact lenses and you aim to make your eye look bigger and rounder, you can actually use the contact lenses that we called as circle lenses. Yung circle lenses guys, ito yung typically na medyo malaking contact lenses compared sa typical one. Kasi ang typical one is, ang size niya is 14.5 in diameter or 14.5 millimeter. Tapos itong mga circle lenses naman ito is actually in 15. I am not knowledgeable when it comes to the name of the print, pero you can actually see it na meron siyang darker ring or yung pinaka-circumference ng inyong contact lenses print. So kapag nakita kayo na merong darker or literally na parang black na ring sa pinaka-print ng inyong contact lenses, that is actually considered as a circle lens. But for this tutorial, I personally preferred not to use it kasi gusto ko lang mapakita naman sa inyo kung ano yung effect niya with just makeup. So ayan siya guys, this is the effect of our lashes. So ayan, as you can see, meron pa siyang konting white pa doon. Hindi niya pa siya ma-appreciate kasi it's because the glue is not yet dry. Pero diba, as you can see, ayan, yung certain flick niya doon is sobrang ganda kasi alam niyo na dito lang siya nakafocus sa pinakataas ng ating iris. So, nakaganon lang talaga siya doon sa gitna. Tapos, hindi ako gumamit ng typical lashes na ginagamit ko, which is yung merong side wisp here na nagbibigay ng illusion ng elongated eye. So, ayan. As you can see, everything is naka-upward lang. So, kanina guys, habang nag-aantay tayo matuyog ito ng lashes nito sa ating left eye, is ginawa ko na yung ating right eye. And here it is. Ito yung itsura na guys kapag naka falsies lang. And then this time is we're going to proceed in our next step. We are going to put on some mascara. So for our mascara, I am going to use this M.A.C Bold and Bad Lash Mascara. So base muna tayo para mag-camouflage yung ating natural lashes on our falsies. Tapos guys, ang pinakamabilis na way para makapag-apply kayo ng inyong mascara is by looking like this. Dito kayo sa ilalim titingin. Para hindi kayo kailangan mo ganun. Diba? And then while we are waiting for it to dry, ang gagawin ko is I am just going to press it like this. With your clean finger ha. Para habang natutuyo siya is minamanage nila yung inyong lashes para meron pa siyang certain parang buka pa. So, ayan. Habang inaantay ko siyang matuyo, is minamold ko na siya. Pinapractice ko na siya na mag-lift ng ganitong way. And then this time, before tayo maglagay ng mascara sa ating lower lash, is gagamit tayo ng eyeliner. And alam ko naman na most of you guys know how to do this and know how to do this kind of trick. Pero, ang gandaan kasi guys is itong ginagamit kong eyeliner na ito, this one is in color beige. So this one is M.A.C. Ang shade niya is NW25 or NC30. Ito yung beige eyeliner na ginagamit daw ni Pia Wurtzbach. So ayun. And then before kayo gumamit ito guys, you actually going to need a lighter. So we are going to melt the tip and also sanitizing it na rin. Kumbaga disinfecting it na rin. Kasi usually kapag gumagamit kayo ng eyeliner tapos syempre after nyo gamitin, hindi nyo tinatanggal yung pinaka-tip ng inyong eyeliner. Na-retain doon yung pinaka-bacteria from your eyes. So by doing this is, make sure nyo na natanggal nyo yung bacteria or napatay nyo siya kasi because of the heat. And also, you are melting the product. So mas maganda yung gliding nito kasi mas malambot. Kumpara sa white eyeliner na parang sobrang popping, na parang sobrang cosplaying yung pinaka-shade niya. Mas maganda yung ganito lang. And then guys, pwedeng nyo rin itong gamitin here sa inyong brow bone. Pero I personally prefer not kasi gusto ko yung shade na itong Pilibis. Pero diba, super duper ganda niya gamitin rin dun para sa purpose na yun. And also, for your eyeliner. Tapos, alam ko naman guys na ang in-expect nyo na ilalagay natin next is yung ating mascara para sa ating lower lash. Pero alam mo ba na pwede pa tayo magdagdag dyan? Kasi we are actually going to make it pop even more. We are going to make it parang illuminate and bigger even more. Na alam ko naman na meron din kayo sa mga go-to makeup kit nyo. At ang tinutukoy ko is yung ating highlighter. So any highlighter we do, ang gagamitin ko for this is itong Sephora. Pwede nyo gamitin yung finger nyo. So, finger din na lang natin siya. So, ito tayo. We are going to extend our eye here. Parang mukha pa siyang bright. Tapos, here. So, pinaka-beginning ng ating idiosal. Di ba meron siyang certain glow pa? So, this time is mag-mascara na tayo. Ang kagandaan nito guys is meron siyang small one na pwedeng gamitin dito sa ating lower. So, ayan. Super duper liit niya lang. Super nice din kasi sobrang precise na application. So, there you have it guys. Ito yung aking big eye. So, ayan. In-emphasize ko yung aking eye shape. Pinalaki ko siya. Tapos, meron tayong effect din ng Eliosa na somehow is sobrang okay. Sobrang nakakadagdag siya ng certain pop sa ating eye. So there you have it guys. I hope meron ako na-share sa inyo about sa pag-makeup. And also, if ever man meron kayo mga suggestions, comment, or requests, you can actually comment it down below. And I am hoping to see you on our next video. Bye-bye!